Hey there, Michael Church with CrawlSpaceNinja.com. I recently got a call from a gentleman down in Chattanooga named Doug Fletcher, and he decided to put some vapor barrier in his crawl space, and it created a big problem. Stay tuned. Okay, so Doug down in Chattanooga decided that he wanted to install a vapor barrier, so he got online and bought a reinforced vapor barrier from a website and put it in. From what I understand, did a really good job. He put the butyl tape on, used the Christmas trees, hung it up the walls and covered the floor and everything, and within 72 hours, his crawl space and house started smelling like cat pee. He had been fighting with how to address it. He called the manufacturer where he got it from, and they said to put more fans in. They said that the humidity was too high, even though it was 43%. So he bought a bigger dehumidifier, went to I think a Santa Fe Advanced 2 dehumidifier from a Compact 2, cost $1,500 for the dehu. He added 2 fans, which was $450. Plus another $150 for a Ridan fan. And anyway, he had over $2 grand in these upgrades that he was recommended to do by the crawl space repair company that sold him the vapor barrier. Well, then he calls us. He's about an hour and a half away from us, so we decided to go down there and take a look. So what we did was we ripped out the reinforced vapor barrier and put in our no cat pee guarantee vapor barrier. He also had some other, I think 2 or 3 layers of plastic underneath, which had always been there and never caused an issue before. So we went ahead and took all those extra layers of plastic out as well, just in case they were contributing to the odor. And his wife called and said within 24 hours of us taking out the reinforced vapor barrier and putting in our vapor barrier, that the smell was completely eliminated. So if you're fighting with this cat urine odor, before you go invest $2,000–$3,000 in new equipment and fans and all that kind of stuff, you may really want to consider just replacing the plastic. If you've got a reinforced plastic, doesn't matter if it's clear, white, black, whatever, if it's got reinforced liners going through it, that may be the biggest problem with causing that cat urine smell. So he told me that I could tell you all that information, and within 24 hours, the cat pee smell was gone. So thanks, Doug, for hiring us to take care of that crawl space for you. And I hope you guys like this video down below, and I hope you make it a happy and blessed day. And thanks again for watching.